So I welcome all of you to the second part of the lesson, learning the game. Okay. In my first year at Shadashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 a.m. My evening session would start at 5 p.m. after only a 30 minutes break. During the break, Sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai dish. Okay, in this paragraph, Sachin says how he practices in the ground, how many matches daily he has 55 matches. He's playing from the morning 7:30 to till 5:30. After 5:30 he will have a 30 minutes break. In meanwhile his sir coach will give him some money to go and have some vada pav. Vada pav was the Mumbai's favorite, Mumbai's fast food item. Between 5 a.m. and 7 p.m. Would have five more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, Sar would place 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. Okay, in this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. So this is the game. This was the serious game every day. The last 15 minutes of the evening session, Sar would place a 1 rupee coin on the stumps. The Sachin, or what Sachin has to do is, he has to hit all the balls which all the players who is practicing in the ground will come and bowl to him. Okay, will come and bowl. So that was a good practice. So this kind of practice only made him a great Sachin in the cricket. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction. So coin value may be less, but the satisfaction that gives after all players bowl, he did not miss any ball. He batted all the balls very well. That sense that gives him good satisfaction. Taught him how to concentrate even when physically drained. At the end of it all, Sar would tell me to run two full circuits of Shivaji Park. Oh, not even the practice is not completely over. So after that 15 minutes serious race is over, match is over, Sar will ask him to to run the ground, to run around the ground two times. Okay, wow, this exhausted Sachin will run the full circuit of Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves on. That was the last part of my training every day, and I will be completely exhausted by the end of it all. It was a routine I would repeat right through my summer holidays, and it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. So, this kind of hard practice and helped him to improve his stamina, okay, both physically and mentally. Occasionally my father came to take me home, so sometimes Sachin's father will come to the ground and to pick him, and I would always ask him, this is what every child do. Okay, when a father or mother comes to pick from our school, what we do next, I will ask them to take one shop, or to take a bakery, or to take ice cream shop, and there we will have what we want after, and then will go home. So likewise, this is the normal child mannerism. So Sachin is a normal child to their family, to his father. So he asked his father to to treat him with a special fruit juice, cocktail juice. While this regular demand was a little unreasonable, because at the time I did not realize that my parents had to take care of the needs of my brothers and sister. My father would invariably end up giving me what I wanted just to see me happy. So at the time, in his family was big. Brothers were there, sisters were there. That breadwinner is only his father. His father has to look after the whole family, has to manage the expenditure of the whole family. So keeping all this in mind, Sachin will ask only cheapest item, that is juice. Okay. But father, no, he wants his Sachin to be happy. So whatever he is asking, he'll buy and give. On the other days, when I made my way home from Shivaji Park on my own, I would often fall asleep on the bus. So see, if even we are in Sachin's place also, definitely we will feel so tired while traveling, we will automatically go to sleep. So likewise, he will fall asleep on the bus, any if he gets a seat. Okay, that too, if he gets a seat. Anyone he has been on Mumbai bus at peak hours will know just how difficult it is to get a seat. So Mumbai is a hassle city, full of traffic and very crowded, and bus. Wow, I mean, I no need to say. So bus will be so crowded. At peak hours it will be very hassle. So one who knows how difficult it is to get a seat in Mumbai bus. Okay, on days and when I was not so lucky, if I am not lucky, I can't get a seat. This is what Sachin says. One day, when if he is not so lucky, he will not get a chance to sit, and he has to stand with his kit bag. Because the bus conductors would inevitably complain about me taking up the space of another passenger. So if bus conductors, if they see him, they will start to scold him, because carrying a big bag and occupying one passenger's space in the bus will irritate the conductor. So he will scold him. Yeah. This could have been embarrassing, because conductors were often rude. Some would sometimes ask him to buy two tickets. Okay, mercilessly. I did not have the money for a second ticket, and I had to learn to take these remarks in my stride. Stride means the difficult life. Okay, in his life, he has to remember these remarks in dirty clothes often added to the so another embarrassment is his dirty clothes after practice. No, full of sweating, the dress will produce some kind of bad smell, that sweating smell. So all these things embraced him, added embracement more. With time, I evolved a way of wrapping the kit back around me, just as the helmet becomes a helmet, and pads became a part of me while batting. So sometimes, to avoid scolding from the conductor, he'll wear the helmet pads as he stands in the ground on bus while traveling. It will become a part of his body. So the kit bag became an extension of me on the bus. I would often take the bus or train from Bandra to such gate. It was all a great learning experience. Wow. Sachin says, okay, so even the traveling and what I experienced in the traveling, what are the things that I experienced while traveling, even to the ground, or even come back to the home, it was a total learning experience. Even though I loved cricket, there were still occasional days when playing with my friends at home was such fun that I would conveniently forget I was supposed to go to nets. Okay, this is a normal child's mannerism. So, coach after coach, practice after practice, sometimes it will make us. Okay, leave it today. Let's call it. Let's stop for some time. Let's take some rest at home. This is this feeling it will create because of the hard training session in the cricket ground. So this is what also sometimes comes to Sachin. Sachin sometimes he will not go to the nets, and he will spend some time with his friends at home. If I did not turn up, Okay, Archega sir join on his scooter and come to find me. Okay, if he does that one day, Archega sir will come to his house straight by his scooter and find me. Then sir would spot me in the melee and virtually drag me out. Melee means the crowded place. If sir find me in the I am being with my friends, he will drag me out and I will come back with excuses, but he would not have none of it. I will say some complaints and excuses, but he will never believe that. He would get me to change and head off to Sikaji Park. He will say strictly to me that, okay, you dress up and get ready and come to Sikaji Park. Don't waste your time playing with your friends in the colony. On the drive, he would tell me, don't waste your time playing insane games, some silly games with these kids. Cricket is waiting for you in the nets. Practice hard and see what magic can transpire. Okay, hello, boy. Do what I say. Practice hard in the ground and see what magic is going to do to you. We need to have proper career orientation. Your personality plays an important role in choosing the type of career you want. Choose something you enjoy and really want to do, and you will be successful. He advises, Sachin, we have to be proper in our career. Okay, if you choose your career, we have to do practice it, and we have to make it very properly and seriously. Okay, and then what we choose something, if you choose something you enjoy, if you choose something really you want to do, definitely if you practice well, you will be successful in life. This is what is advised to Sachin by his coach Achega sir. At the time I hated being dragged off, but as a child at the time, even if we are in our in Sachin's place also, we'll be thinking like that only. At the time, I hated being dragged off. I hated why this Sar is doing, behaving me like this, torturing me like that. He also thought. But as I now being a greatest cricketer in the world, if I look back my days, I feel so sheepish about my actions. I can only admire Achega's foresightedness. So now I feel so silly. Why I have been like this? Why I have thought like this? Oh, now I can only admire his foresightedness. Okay, he how he looks for my future. Sir also punished me on one occasion when trying to teach me every important lesson. Once, sometimes a coach has punished him. Once I bunked my daily evening. Bunk means he did not go. He took a leave on practice to watch inter-school cricket match, not anticipating that Sir would be there. He was angry. One day he bunked his class and was went to watch international inter-school cricket match where he did not expect his star also would come there. He then after seeing Sachin in the ground, he was angry and said that it was not for you to come and watch other people play for. If you practice hard enough, one day people from across the world will come and watch you play. Okay, this is what Sar said to him. Had it not been for Sir, I would not. Had it not been for Sir, I would not be the cricketer I turned out to be. So now I have turned out to be a good cricketer. If I have not listened what Sar said, definitely this is not what I am today. He was a strict disciplinarian. My coach Achega sir was a strict disciplinarian person, and he did everything to me, and he did everything he could for me. I owe myself to him. So in this last line, we can he Sachin is expressing his gratitude to his teacher, his coach Achega sir. Okay, he, thank you.